Hello everyone, welcome to Varagi Tech. This video is about notation. Algorithms can be described and documented using various notations. In programming, notation refers to the syntax and symbols to write code. Some of the common notations used to represent algorithms include Pseudocode, Flowcharts, structured English, structured programming, UML, mathematical notation, programming language code, natural language descriptions. Let's see them in detail. Pseudocode. Pseudocode is a high-level, informal description of an algorithm that uses a mixture of natural language and basic programming construct. It is not tied to a specific programming language and is often used to outline the logic of an algorithm before implementation. Next, flowcharts. Flowcharts are graphical representations of an algorithm that use symbols and arrows to depict the flow of control and decision points. They are often used for visualizing the logical flow of an algorithm. Next, structured English. This notation uses a more structured approach to describe algorithms using natural language, but with specific keywords and formatting conventions. It is often used in software design documentation. Structured programming notation. It is developed by Edgar Dijkstra. This notation uses a set of control structures like sequence, selections, if-else and loops, while and for to represent algorithms in a structured manner. Next, UML, Unified Modeling Language. While commonly associated with software design and modeling, UML can also be used to represent algorithms in a visual and structured way. Activities diagrams and state diagrams are UML diagrams that can be adapted for algorithm representation. Mathematical notation. Some algorithms are represented using mathematical symbols and equations, especially in areas like mathematics, cryptography, and computer science theory. Programming language code. In many cases, algorithms are implemented directly in a programming language like Python, Java, C++, etc. The code itself serves as a notation for the algorithm. Next, natural language descriptions. Sometimes algorithms are documented using plain text and natural language descriptions. This is common in algorithm textbooks and academic papers. The choice of notation depends on the context and audience and the level of detail required to describe and communicate the algorithm. Each notation has its strengths and is chosen based on the most effective way to convey the algorithm's logic and functionality. So this is about commonly used various notations to represent the algorithm. If you like this video, hit the like button, share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe Varagi Tech. Thanks for watching.